Today I'm going to be reviewing Warbull's 5-gallon bucket seat. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Look at this. It even spins. How amazing is that? It also comes with a cover. They can just slip on top if it gets wet out to protect it. This does fit on 5-gallon buckets, but remember, not all 5-gallon buckets are created equally. This will only fit buckets that have 11 inches to 11.75 inches. I'll put a chart on there so you can see what it will work with and what it won't. But I've got a bucket here, and I'm going to show you. It's got the nice memory foam on top. It's pretty stiff. So I'm going to show you the bucket. There's my 5-gallon bucket. We're going to put it on top. As you can see here, it spins, so you can use this for anything. I'm going to sit on it. I'm going to move my chair out here. All right, so now I'm sitting on the bucket. Now it's a really tight foam, so I like that. So it's comfortable. Plenty of uses for this. If you're camping as an extra chair, you're just out. A lot of people have buckets. It's a perfect solution for an extra seat. All right, so after trying it, I can see why this does well on Amazon. It is a #1 bestseller. Absolutely. 4.5 stars, over 900 reviews, and last month, 700 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.